Your right foot. Yeah.
Hey!
Pedal, pedal, pedal.
Push hard.
Keep going, keep going.
You're on a little hill.
There you go. Yeah, you're pretty good. And turn your wheel that way a little bit.
Turn it towards the gate. Towards the gate. Point at the gate.
Yeah, there you go. Now pedal. Whoa. Pedal with your right foot. And your left foot. And your right foot. And your left foot. And your right and left. And right.